Questions customers have asked us.
And yes, we're serious.
One question. Is this faucet waterproof?
Yeah, it is waterproof.
Can I install it by myself or do I need a plumber?
Do you want me to give you an encouraging answer or say the truth?
Oh wait, just one more question. What if I flush the toilet twice?
Oh yeah, you got to flush it.
I wanted to ask a question. Does the sink requires a drain?
Yeah, it does if you wanted to leave the water. Yeah.